Ever wondered how some people seem to handle stress with such finesse? What are the secrets? Well, today we are uncovering 10 management mantras that can help lead a stress-free life. Speak to our expert at +917349662321 today. Number 1. Practice time management. Take a leaf out of the Pomodoro technique. Break your work into intervals, usually 25 minutes, separated by short breaks. This technique helps maintain focus and productivity while preventing burnout. Secondly, set clear priorities. Ever heard of the Eisenhower matrix? It's a tool to categorize tasks based on urgency and importance, helping you prioritize and focus on what truly matters. Thirdly, embrace minimalism. Marie Kondo's KonMari method advocates for decluttering your surroundings and life. Keep only items and commitments that spark joy and contribute positively to your well-being. Fourth, practice mindfulness. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation cultivate awareness of the present moment, reducing stress and promoting mental clarity. The fifth mantra is effective delegation. The 80-20th principle, or the Pareto principle, suggests focusing on the critical tasks contributing the most to your goals and delegating or eliminating less important ones. Number 6. Continuous learning. The Japanese philosophy of Kaizen emphasizes small incremental changes over time for personal and professional development. The seventh mantra, set boundaries. The 2-minute rule is a simple yet effective strategy. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This helps prevent small tasks from accumulating and causing stress. 8. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Daniel Goleman's 5 components of emotional intelligence promote developing self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills to navigate interpersonal relationships with greater ease. 9th, adopt a growth mindset. Carol Dweck's growth mindset encourages embracing challenges, learning from criticism, and persisting in the face of setbacks. This mindset fosters resilience and reduces stress associated with failure. Finally, celebrate achievements. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Celebrating small victories along the way reinforces a positive and fulfilling journey. In conclusion, these 10 mantras, time management, clear priorities, minimalism, mindfulness, effective delegation, continuous learning, setting boundaries, emotional intelligence, growth mindset, and celebrating achievements, are adaptable and can be customized to fit your unique circumstances. Consistent application of these principles can contribute to a more balanced and stress-free life.